Caught behind Venetian blinds.
Let's start with Krishan.
Hi.
Krishan, hi. He's from Trivandrum. His parents are from Trivandrum. They went to Malaysia. He was born there. Then he moved to Singapore. And this is Don, who's from Kochi. He also moved to Singapore and met Krishan's sister there.
Yeah, my brother-in-law.
Yeah, and married her. Don's sister is now in Glasgow in Scotland.
Yeah.
And that brings me to Josh. He's from Scotland.
Yep.
And then there's Kat, who's from Sheffield. And somehow we all ended up in the same dorm room, so call it crazy.
That's fun.
Sorry, Dawn, I didn't mean that. It's Krishan's sister, Dawn married, yes, and I get mixed up sometimes, especially early in the morning.
We just had coffee.
Yeah, so slowly I'm gonna be fine.
Time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way. Fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may.
Grass is like razor sharp. If you hold on to it, you can cut your fingers.
Where are your chappals?
Wow, this is so much better. They're in my pocket, in my joy.
Let's see.
Let's have a toast for those lost old eyes. And my crooked
The manager at the hostel was kind enough to point us in the direction of the nearest attraction, a secret spot that was a mild adventure away.
easy kid, gonna leave it all behind.
After trekking down a rough hill slope, we finally caught the first glimpse of our secluded private pool. No time to waste. Cannonball!
Fell between the four wind stitches. Time to let go.
For her child.
Exactly.
Oh, sorry, that is horrible. Oh my god, don't drown.
Okay, as you're saying. Oh wow, nice.
Yeah, I don't think we're making it to that one.
No.
That's fine.
Well, unless.
No.
This is really an infinity pool. Isn't that what you're saying? Can you tell me if there are... Hey!
We never wait for someone to finish their sentence before our time. That's so
good?
deep.
It's good? I'm gonna follow you then. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's not deep at all. Once you get in, it's fine. And done.
But none of our trips are really complete without at least one stay at Boston. I like the whole idea of meeting so many people.
There's so many hostels across the country.
It's a shame though, because it's like the most corporate.
Try to avoid them.
Yeah, this is our second hostel.
We stay in hostels, we just try to avoid the big chains if we can.
And why is that?
Because I don't know, it's just we've had more fun in the more independent ones. They run it themselves, so they just like
They're more friendly.
they're more friendly and they're like.
Not headmasters.
Do you think? I think that's just gonna appear underneath that canopy bit, and then we're gonna have to still scramble up.
Almost there. Come on.
Happy dance.
Yay!
Dance.
Somehow.
Oh, completely a different day. Yeah.
That's something really neat you're doing there, Josh. Carrying back trash.
You should all copy me. I just when I feel in the mood. Because the wires, man, they'll fuck up a lot of animals.
Yeah, yeah.
Because you were very hero in the water, no, that I am scared. I am not scared to do this.
Are you air drying yourself?
Yes,
How do you feel, madam?
I feel on top of the hill.
I don't think I'm gonna do that. I'm just not really sure about this. What if it breaks? Ooh. This hostel is cute. Is this nice? We met so many people here.
Yes,
Had a chill morning with them.
that was the idea.
Hey Krishan. Yes. Do you mind clicking a picture of ours? The phone's right there. The ride from Wagaman to Munnar, by Google Maps estimates, is less than 100 kilometers and would take us under 4 hours to traverse. So, we decided to explore the mysteriously famous Dracula Church along the way. Passing through the lovely town of Oputara, this is where you'll find things like an ATM and conveniences like a bar, many stores. That was the Oputara Bridge. We are here. St. Andrew's CSI Church, 2nd Division, Holy Communion Service, 2nd Sunday. I can't believe we made it here with our broken Malayalam, and people's directions really helped. I don't know why Google Maps hasn't updated it yet. Anyway, this is the church. You must be wondering what's so special about this church, no? Revolving door.
So what's special about this church is that it was in the Malayalam movie Lucifer, जो मोहनलाल की है ना? I
Yeah,
think.
starring Mohanlal. It's a super hit movie on Amazon
they also
Prime
call
Video.
it the Dracula Church. I think that was after that movie. So now, ever since that movie came out, it's become a popular tourist spot. Like everybody wants to take a.
It's just like any other church in this area, in this region. St. Andrew's CSI Church. There are 2 or 3 St. Andrew's CSI churches in the area. I mean, nothing special about this church except the fact that it was in the movie.
And it gives you really haunted feel, like that
Dead
ruined-
tree.
A dead tree, a church which is pretty old and it's not very well maintained.
And there's
there's a cemetery right in the middle of the tea garden, like behind on the backside of the church is a cemetery.
There's many graves there,
So, yeah.
tombstones, and
Nice.
yeah, it's just very haunted. I wouldn't want to be here after sundown.
Why not?
This was on our way to Munnar, hence we stopped and just kind of said hi to the church. Let's head down to Munnar now.
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
let's get lunch.
ब्रेकफास्ट तो किया था लेकिन फिर भी अभी और भूख लगी.
Yeah, Munnar is an hour and a half away from here.
Yeah.
Get there quickly and have lunch. Hi, sorry, you speak English? No English? Hindi? No. Huh? This is a toddy shop? Okay, good. Thank you. Hello. Sorry. Hindi, English? Hindi? English? थोड़ा हिंदी. मलयालम बिल्कुल नहीं. 140, 130 क्या है?
Program का 140.
Okay.
So Pana is
Toddy.
20.
Okay. That is 130. This is coconut toddy or no?
Coconut roti.
Toddy. Okay. And this is pana. And this same. Tadi Madi. Okay. 1 liter. Okay. I can take
Okay.
parcel.
You can take away.
Okay. So 140.
पूरी भी तैको होगा खाने के लिए कुछ
No. Hotel.
मछली फ्राई है
Mutton fry.
मछली
Fry.
पोर्क है
Pork.
फिश है
Okay.
करी है फिश करी है
Okay. Oh.
बड़ा फिश का
Head.
सिर 3 तरह
Mean tala. And this?
ಅದು ಮೊಳೆ ರಾಬಿಟ್ मुर्गी
Chicken.
केरला मुर्गी ब्रॉयलर नहीं
Broiler नहीं.
नाड़न
Nadan. Local.
लोकल करे
Fish curry. Tuna.
टूना है फिर चेमिन प्रॉन्स
Prawns. Squid. Crab.
योर प्राइस नेटिव प्राइस
Mumbai.
मुंबई वाला
This कभी तक पी सकता है?
1 घंटे के बीच में ऐसा होता है टूट जाएगा
तो 1 घंटा
1 घंटे के बीच में थोड़ा पीता है
खोल के बंद करने का ना. छोड़ता है.
और टूटेगा
Okay. So every 1 hour, half an hour open. This is Madi, coconut wala. And there is Tadi, which is Tadgole wala, Pana. He said ये हवा छोड़ते रहता है मतलब fermented है ना. So every half an hour you open this and close it to release pressure. नहीं तो ये फटेगा. वो बोला थोड़ा पी के चलो कुछ नहीं होएगा. It's like coconut water.
Take a train ride just to see you. Ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you. 'Cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone.
Just 2 minutes in the Kashmir of South India was enough to captivate us.
Run away from home, why don't you?
We were spellbound. Such was the magic of this majestic, picture-perfect landscape. Things that we had only heard of or seen online were manifesting themselves in person. There was no way that Munnar could have been oversold, but that was just the trailer, the tip of the iceberg. The full experience was reserved for the following day, and we could hardly wait for it. We headed to our hilltop abode to put the toddy to good use.
I think that's it. That's where we have to go. Okay then, we are here. Club Mahindra Munnar.
evening from Club Mahindra, Munnar.
We have checked in, we have showered,
And we've just decided to pamper ourselves because it's been what, 2,500 kilometers of riding now?
yeah, I think 2.5k, and there's another 1.5 or 2 to go back home.
So the last two destinations, Munnar and
Chill
the
karenge.
other one, yeah.
We
The other
deserve
one
it.
we haven't decided on yet, but yeah.
Yeah.
थोड़ा chill करेंगे. Like we'll explore some of it, but ऐसा ये नहीं कि ये भी चाहिए, वो भी चाहिए, वो भी चाहिए. We just need to unwind, chill, pamper ourselves. Whenever we take a long trip, we keep 1 or 2 destinations जहाँ पे exploring कम और chilling and pampering yourself थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है.
Right now we are headed to a bonfire, I think. That's
She
what
said there's some kind of cultural program or
Yeah.
something. I don't know.
And then dinner, and then hit the hay. At this point, we had spent over 10 days away from home. After thousands of kilometers, many nights spent at budget hotels and hostels, it felt nice to pamper ourselves a little. From the bonfire to the hotel staff to the dinner, everything was warm and homely. Tomorrow, we'll have to wait its turn.